Paste videos on YouTube and earn money. The secret YouTube automation strategy. Firehook 00030. What if I told you you could copy videos, paste them, and make money on YouTube legally? Sounds crazy, right? But people are doing it every single day with YouTube automation. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Stay till the end to learn the best niches, the tools you need, and how to make your first dollar online with zero camera, zero voice, and zero editing skills. Intro 031. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we unlock digital money, making secrets the smart way. Today's video is all about YouTube automation using the copy-paste method. No filming, no showing your face, no fancy equipment, and yes, it's 100% legit if you do it the right way. Let's jump straight in. Part 1. What is YouTube automation? 1.33.00 YouTube automation means you create content without being the one creating it. You run your channel like a business. You outsource or repurpose content legally and let others do the heavy lifting. Imagine running 3-4 channels making money 24/7, and you don't have to appear in a single one. That's the power of YouTube automation. Part 2. How does the copy-paste method work? 3.006.00. Here's the step-by-step strategy. 1. Pick a niche. Go for motivation, relaxing music, tech reviews, meditation, sounds, top 10, videos, history, / documentary. These are evergreen, meaning people watch them over and over. 2. Find reusable content use. Creative Commons videos from YouTube, filter by license, Pexels, Pixabay, or Storyblocks for free blur. All footage, public domain speeches or royalty. Free audio, you're not stealing, you're repurposing content that's legal to use. 3. Edit and repackage. Use free tools like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, Canva for thumbnails, add music, cut it clean, maybe a voiceover. Use AI if you don't want to record, and you've got a video ready to post. Part 3. How you make money. 6.008.00. Here's how money starts flowing. 1. AdSense. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours, you get monetized and earn from ads. 2. Affiliate links. Promote products in your video description. For example, link a microphone or book you mention. 3. Sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands will pay you to mention them even if you're not on screen. 4. Digital products or courses. Some people make a video like how to meditate and link their own ebook below. Passive income magic. Part 4. Best tools to automate everything. 8.0010.00. Here's your automation toolkit. ChatGPT script writing, Pictory / in video / Vidnami turn script into videos, Canva thumbnails, Audacity, edit voiceovers, TTS tools like 11 Labs, generate human. Like voice, want a hands-off system. Hire freelancers from Fiverr, Upwork, online jobs. You can automate 80% of the process for less than $50 video. Part 5. Tips to go viral and succeed fast. 10.0012.00. Use SEO titles. Top 10 success quotes that changed my life. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Upload consistently. Even 2 videos / week can grow a channel. Analyze what's working. Double down on those videos. And most importantly, be patient. Most channels don't go viral overnight. But if you stay consistent, results come. Outro 12.0013.00. So now you know copy-paste YouTube automation is real. You don't need to be a YouTuber. You need to be smart. Leverage free content, repurpose it legally, automate the workflow, and build a cash-flowing YouTube business. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, smash that subscribe, and comment automate. If you're ready to start today, DM me on Instagram if you want a free list of 10 profitable automation niches. Copy-paste video on YouTube and earn money. YouTube automation full strategy. What if I told you that you could copy videos, paste them onto YouTube, and actually make real money. It sounds too good to be true, right? But this is exactly what people are doing right now using a method called YouTube automation, and no, it's not illegal, unethical, or a scam. In fact, this strategy is becoming one of the smartest ways to build a passive income business online without ever showing your face, recording your voice, or learning how to edit videos. In this video, I'm going to break it all down step by step and show you how you can start doing this today, even if you're a complete beginner. YouTube automation is not about faking content or stealing from other creators. It's about building a faceless YouTube channel where all the content is either legally repurposed, outsourced, or created using royalty-free resources. Think of it like running a digital media company where you are the producer, not the actor. You hire, delegate, or use AI tools to do the heavy lifting, script writing, voiceover, editing, and you focus on building a channel that can grow and earn you money 24/7. That's the power of automation. It's not just about working less, it's about working smarter. So how exactly does the copy-paste method work? The first step is choosing the right niche. This is crucial. You want to go with evergreen topics, content that people will always search for, no matter the season. Some of the best niches for faceless, automated channels include motivation, health tips, meditation and relaxing sounds, tech reviews, documentaries, top 10 countdowns, luxury lifestyle, and even relationship advice. Why? Because these niches have massive audiences and don't depend on your face or personal brand to succeed. Once you've picked your niche, the next step is sourcing content. And here's the important part: you must only use content that's free to reuse commercially. You can find this on YouTube itself by using the Creative Commons filter, which shows videos that are legally allowed to be reused and edited. Websites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Storyblocks offer high-quality, free video footage you can also use. For background music, head to YouTube Audio Library or sites like Epidemic Sound, paid but safe. And for voiceovers, you can even use AI tools like 11 Labs Murph, AI or TTS-MP3 that sound natural and professional. All of this content is fair game if you respect copyright rules. After gathering your visuals, it's time to edit. Don't worry, this doesn't mean complicated software. Free tools like CapCut, Canva, or DaVinci Resolve are more than enough to create simple, clean videos. You combine clips, add royalty, free music or a voiceover, insert text, maybe an intro and outro, and boom, your video is ready. If you're really serious, you can hire freelancers on Fiverr, Upwork, or online jobs. PH for as little as $20 to $50 per video to handle the editing and script writing for you. You'll be building a channel that produces content while you sleep. Now, how does this make money? There are 4 major income streams with this method. First, there's AdSense, which kicks in once your channel is monetized 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once approved, you earn money from every ad that plays before, during, or after your videos. Second, there's affiliate marketing, promoting products or services in your video description. For example, a motivational channel could promote books, courses, or gadgets using Amazon affiliate links and earn a commission every time someone buys. Third, you have brand sponsorships. Even faceless channels get approached by companies to promote their services once your content starts gaining traction. Lastly, there's selling your own digital products like ebooks, templates, or courses, which can earn you passive income long term. To keep this process scalable and efficient, you'll want to automate as much as possible. Use ChatGPT or Claude for script writing. Use Pictory in video or Canva Pro to turn those scripts into ready to upload videos. Use thumbnail templates and schedule uploads in batches. In fact, many creators automate their entire channel and only spend a few hours a week overseeing everything like a real online business. You could even run multiple channels in different niches, all earning passively if you scale right. But let's talk about growth. The key to success isn't just automation, it's consistency and strategy. Use search-based titles like Top 10 Morning Habits of Billionaires or Best Quotes That Changed My Life, because these are phrases people are actively searching. Create eye-catching thumbnails with bold fonts and emotional images. Upload consistently, even once or twice a week is enough to build momentum, and study your analytics. Double down on what's working. Once you find your winning formula, just repeat it. So yes, you can literally copy and paste your way to YouTube income legally and ethically if you use the right tools and understand the process. You don't need to be an influencer, you don't need expensive gear, and you don't even need to speak. All you need is the strategy and the willingness to start. The opportunity is right in front of you. Thousands of faceless channels are doing this and building real online empires. Why not you? If this inspired you, leave a comment saying automate. Hit the like button and subscribe for more digital income strategies. And if you want a list of the top 10 profitable niches for YouTube automation, drop your email or DM me on Instagram. I'll send it to you for free. Let's build your YouTube business together. Stay safe, stay happy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.